Let's try today a Dahi toast, yogurt toast. Sliced bread dipped in yogurt and it's pan fried on with clarified butter. It's very good for breakfast or a tea time snack. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We can make 5 toasts with this recipe. We need 1 cup of yogurt into a bowl, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of salt, 5 sprigs cilantro chopped, chickpea flour 2 tablespoons, a little bit of water. Onto a pan, 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of mustard, let it crack. Put some curry leaves, give a swirl and add to the mix. Just half only, half you keep it aside. 1/4 teaspoon cracked black pepper, combine well and rest for 5 minutes. Onto a skillet, spread some ghee, dip the bread onto the batter. Both sides well covered. Toast the bread on a hot medium skillet. Let it toast beautifully though. When it's done, one side, flip it around. Spread some ghee. You will get a crispy Dahi toast like this. Sprinkle with some sliced onions and the half tempering on the top and enjoy the beautiful taste of Dahi toast. The Dahi toast we made is ready. Not even taken 5 minutes to whip up this beautiful breakfast or a snack. Let's just enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.